up, guys? Welcome back to Rotorite with another trick series episode. Today we're going to be learning the wall stall. You can do the rising wall stall, just a normal one, ones with tricks in between, multiple variations.
What would you say the difference between this and like a knife edge is?
I think it's more of a momentum thing. Knife edges are usually just kind of like a quick thing through a gap or something, where this is like, it's essentially a knife edge, but you just hold it. I like to do wall stall and then actually kind of do like a wall, like almost like you're riding down the wall and you start yawing to aim down.
Okay.
So just fun things like that.
Stingy, how do you feel about wall stalls?
I feel ready.
You gonna learn today?
All right, first thing we're gonna do is take off from the quad. I suggest you guys do it in open field. The easiest one I think is the climbing wall stall. So we're gonna throttle up, do a sideways roll, and just gonna hold it. That is climbing.
Now, are you taking your finger off the stick?
Yes, I am.
So you get it like perfectly centered?
I think I will have to take my thumb off to get it to stay perfectly centered.
All you do is roll it and then you stop giving input. Let everything center.
I just feel like when I do it, there's always like a jerk, and you're really good at just like easing right into no movement.
Yeah, and then you can get kind of quicker at it and just do something like that. That was a really quick one. And you can also use objects as your reference too. Right now we're just doing it in an open part of the field. But this time I'm going to use a tree. We do it to the side of the tree like that.
Do you think it's easier with an object to kind of?
Yeah, I think it is.
But it's safer in the open.
Yeah, you just want to try to do a 90 degree. And then you can get kind of creative with it, where you can do a little 4-point backflip in the middle of one. So you can kind of do this whole number, then you come back out of it.
Dang.
Anyway, I just love, sometimes super simple maneuvers are just really fun to see, you know?
So that you'd consider this like a simple one that you can...
This is yeah, intermediate, but I think when you do the spin on it though, it gets a little tricky, and obviously using things as reference.
Well, you can put a lot of time into like developing your style of it too. So this is one of those tricks that there's a lot of like work you can do on just making it your own. Whoa, boy.
So I'm gonna do my best Skitzo impression. I'm gonna do a lot of this.
Is that what I do?
I don't think that's Skitzo.
Like
Dude, that's totally what you're doing.
How would you describe Stingy style?
Fast. Okay, so here we go. I can't.
Do it! Do it! Oh! That dance though, that row. Oh, it's making me dizzy. Oh, this is making me dizzy as hell.
All right, so here we go. We're gonna go up.
Nice!
I'm trying to slowly get my thumb off the stick because I can't.
There he is. Holding it for days.
Are you practicing actually lifting your thumb off the stick? Like
yeah, I actually am. Well, that's a table.
Yeah, there's a random like trampoline or something.
Yeah, I don't know. I just skimmed the top of it. All right, I'm gonna go to the right this time.
I like how you're using the tree though as a reference. There you go. Just hang it for days. Very simple, very satisfying.
I'm gonna try to skim the tree.
There you go. That's a good one.
Oh God.
What was that?
Who hit my radio?
Did you just?
I'm so sorry.
Wait,
I thought I was being funny and cool walking by, and I totally just slammed into his radio.
Oh my God.
I'm so sorry.
You got a scraggle bomb.
I'm so sorry. I feel really shitty right now.
My rates are so different than yours. I don't think I can do it just like you do. Cause
yeah, yours go from like dead to gnarly, basically.
yeah.
You can do it. That's it right there. You don't have to do it super fast.
Yeah, but like I was still moving on all the axes throughout it. You like when you do it, you stop.
That was good.
See, I have to like take my fingers off the sticks, but you have to center it. You can't like just take your finger off the stick because then it'll bounce around.
I like how you're using the tree the whole time though. You never really did any. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. I liked it. That was good.
Well, see, if I was gonna do it like more Stingy style, it would be like a full snap front flip. So
Then do Stingy style.
Yeah.
Let's see what you got.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. I
had
like
a little
that.
bit of bounce and it wasn't accurate on the stop. Hang on, let's try it one more time.
Yeah, it's kind of hard getting it to stop at that 90 degrees.
Yeah, because you don't like have a
keep the yaw
horizon.
intact. Oh yeah, I like it. I like the Stingy twist.
Well, I guess that just about wraps it up, guys. We did the wall stall. I found out that I'm not very good at centering my sticks. I actually have to take my hands off the controller. Did some variations.
You did the Stingy variation?
Yeah, mad bounce back on the end of it. I'm not. It's been a week. I've been away from flying. Give me a break.
Don't be so hard on yourself. I think I think you're brilliant.
Excellent.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Click that like button. Come back, subscribe, check out the more videos. We got all sorts of content. Yeah, if you guys like the trick series, then there's a link in the description to our playlist of all trick series, so you can check out and learn how to do all the other tricks that we like to do.
Bomb it.
No.
Do it. Trick series.